What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my show, California Survival. And I know what you're thinking. Man, this guy calls himself California Survival, but he doesn't do any surviving. Well, the truth of it is, you tried growing up in California poor, and you tell me it's not survival, alright? This is a show about my life, and in reality, I do like to do a lot of that survival stuff. If I could shoot videos about it right now, I would, but I'm just so busy working all the time and fixing up my house. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys liked yesterday's video about me welding together my magnet doing some magnet fishing. I wasn't too lucky yesterday. Today we're back at the property, and with regards to welding, I do plan on doing some more projects, something really cool actually, called a gasifier. And if you never heard of what a gasifier is, you should probably check it out. Something I learned about on YouTube, and it's a way you can power your generator off of firewood. And during World War II, they actually ran a lot of vehicles off it, and a lot of farmers, and mainly farmers, have rigged up their vehicles to do gasification. So that's the eventual goal, is to have a truck powered off of firewood. Anyway, that's another project I plan on doing some work on this winter. Like I said, I don't plan on doing too much construction right now. I gotta take it easy. And yeah, so we're here at the house, and I'm about to show you the roof and go through it a little bit. So it's all done. Now, if you've been watching the videos before, you know we started with these ends. We tarred underneath them, hammered them down, then we rolled the paper over. Well, when it comes to doing the sheet metal, the first step you have to do is you have to put these inside closures, which you can just barely see them, underneath the sheet metal itself, and these are to keep the bugs out from getting up under your roof. It's just a foam strip. You got to make sure these are lined up and about 1 inch away from the edge. There's videos on how to do it, but you pretty much have to buy a lot of the sticky tape too, and you put that on both sides. Line up your foam, and then you put your sheet metal on. Now, I'm not gonna jump up on the roof today. I just don't feel like doing that. But we'll come around from this side. As you can see, the roof is looking really good. Now, there's a way to go about it, a pattern. What I did was, where each piece of sheet metal overlaps the other one, I put liquid nail. It's a very good adhesive to keep it down. They sell something specifically for sheet metal panels. It's advertised for that, but I didn't know about that until it was too late. It would have to be another month to order that. They don't have it in stock. And so I just decided to go with the liquid nail. So you start by putting your inside closures, laying your metal down, getting a pattern to it, and then overlapping them. What I did, I took the extra step, like I said, to put liquid nail between each panel. And yeah, you're gonna need some screws. I got by with 500 of the main screws, and I believe 500 of the stitch screws, which are smaller. The stitch screws are what you use along the ribs. You'll see along the ribs where they overlap, those are stitch screws on top. They're a little bit shorter than the standard ones. So once you have your whole surface done all the way across, I have a pretty simple roof. Then you do your sides, which are called your gable trim. I don't know who makes this lingo up in the roofing game, but he had these universal closures that you have to put on the side. As you see, I gotta kind of fix that up a little bit, but you got universal closure going all the way down. I'll probably end up tacking it down on the side eventually, and I'll probably end up spraying some foam into these cracks right here. So once you do your gable trim all the way down both sides, then you could proceed and do the top piece. Now I had a little bit of a gap, as you can see, so I went ahead and sealed it up with foam. I recommend buying a few extra foam of all the different closures you have to buy, because you might not have enough. I didn't quite have enough on a couple pieces. I had to order more, and I also got by with spray foam, as you see right there on the peak. I'm gonna clean that up. It looks kind of ugly, but overall it's pretty well done. Anyway, so last time I was here at my camper, I was camping out, and it was raining. It was really nice, really peaceful, very nice. And anyway, I noticed I have a small leak going on in here. It was coming out down on this roof part, dripping. So anyway, when I left, there was like a little tiny bit of water, and then we had the snow. Then I came back, and I have all this water in my little catch pan right here. So that worked perfectly, but today I'm gonna seal up the roof of the camper with this product. It's the Henry's Dura-bright white elastomeric roof coating, 100% acrylic. It's a white color, and it should do the job. So I got the paintbrush out here, and yeah, I'm gonna throw this water in one of my plants, or both of them, and we're gonna do some painting. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Stuff looks like milk or something, super thick. I also wanted to mention, yeah, that I bought all the accessories to go with this little GoPro camera, so I'll be able to mount it on my person, to my head, my hat, tripod, this and that. So that's gonna really help with these videos. It's not a bad camera. It's pretty decent, just, you know, for close up filming like I've been doing lately. Anyway, it's time to roll out. So this is me taking it easy. I still got stuff I gotta do. There's always stuff to do, no matter what. I don't know how well this little camera will be able to pick up, but we got a lot of snow. The entire mountain range is covered in snow. It's really awesome, really beautiful. So like I said, not too much construction going on outside of this painting and cleaning up until I get better. But I do want to do fun stuff like metal detect and magnet fish, so stay tuned and see those videos. Eventually I will start doing some survival stuff around here, you know, in addition to surviving the California economic situation and, you know, surviving off the grid. Have some other cool ideas of a couple videos to come. Stay tuned. Once again, thanks for watching my videos. I really appreciate the support. I can't do without you guys. You know, show them to your friends. And stay tuned. We'll see you next time. This is Josh reminding you that the parking lot is not a dumpster. And you need to walk your lazy ass to the trash can. Till next time. Take care.